Welcome to this step-by-step video tutorial on how to register as an approved training provider with Safqual Qualifications. Begin by launching your web browser. We're using Google Chrome. Now, in the address bar, type www.safqual.com and press Enter. Once the homepage loads, move your mouse to the top menu bar and click on Become a Partner. Then, scroll down the page. At the bottom, you'll find a button labeled Go to Application Form. Click that to access the initial accreditation application form. You're now on the initial accreditation application form. Let's fill it step by step, starting with Section A, General Information. Name of organization. Enter your organization's full legal name as you want it to appear on the accreditation certificate. Legal status. Mention your legal entity type such as private limited, sole proprietor or association, etc. Registration number. Input your organization's official registration number. Registration document. Click Choose File to upload your registration certificate or supporting legal documentation. Physical address. Enter your office address. Postal address. If your mailing address is different, enter it here. Otherwise, repeat the physical address. Telephone number and fax. Enter your landline phone and fax number if applicable. Website and email. Provide your organization's official website and email address for correspondence. Authorized representative. Mention the full name of the person responsible for the application. Designation and contact number. Add job title and contact number of authorized representative. Section B. Information of the Personnel Certification Body. Major activities of the Personnel Certification Body. Briefly describe the services you provide, such as training, certification exams, and skill development, etc. Date of establishment. Use the calendar icon to select the date your organization was established. Approximate number of certificates generated in the past year. Enter how many learners you certified in the previous year. Duration of quality system implementation. Mention how long your organization has a quality assurance system in place, like ISO or any internal QA processes. Staff details. Enter the total number of staff in your organization, including total staff, total technical staff, total number of examiners, expected learner registration each year. Provide an estimate of how many learners you expect to register annually through Safqual. Prepared by and designation. Mention the person completing the form and their role within your organization. Date. Select the date you're submitting the form. Promo code. If you have a promo code, enter it here. If not, you can leave this blank. After filling out all the required fields, double-check your information. Then scroll to the bottom and submit the form. Once submitted, you'll receive a confirmation message. Safqual Accreditation Team will review your application. If approved, you will receive an official email at your provided email address. This email will contain your login credentials, your registered email, and a temporary password. In the email, a URL link will be attached to access your Safqual Center portal. Click the URL in the email to open the portal login page. Enter your email and password provided in the email. Then click Login. You will now be logged into your Safqual Center portal. Once logged in, you'll land on your KYC dashboard. Here, you'll have to provide the required details to begin the verification process. Please note, the data shown here is demo data. You must input your real information. First, fill in the course provider information. Enter your center's name, email, physical address, phone number, and website. Then, click on Save and Next. Now, you'll land on the Administration Information section. Enter the details of your course administrator or communications coordinator. Select their title, such as Mr. or Mrs. Then enter their first and last name. Provide the contact number and email address of your course administrator. enter date of birth and his/her job title within your organization. Upload the CV of the course administrator. Then, click on Save and Next to move to the next step. Now you're on the Head of Center section. Here, you need to provide the details of your organization's head, such as the CEO or founder. Begin by selecting their title, such as Mr. or Mrs., then enter their first and last name. Provide the contact details of your organization's head, including their phone number and email address. Enter their date of birth. Enter the job title of your head of organization, such as CEO or founder. Upload the CV of your head of organization. Then, click on the Save and Next button to proceed further. Now, you'll land on the Marketing Information section. Provide essential details of your marketing manager or the person responsible for marketing. As before, select the title of your marketing manager. Then enter their first and last name. Enter a valid phone number and email address. Provide their date of birth. Select the job title of the person responsible for marketing, such as marketing manager or marketing head. Upload his or her CV and click on Save and Next to move forward to the next step. Next is the business manager information. Provide details of the person responsible for business development. Begin by selecting his or her title. Enter their first name, last name, mobile or telephone number, and email. Enter their date of birth by clicking on the calendar icon. Provide their job title, such as Business Development Officer. Upload his or her CV. Then click Save and Next to move to the last step. The next step is to add the trainer's details. First, select the title, Mr. or Mrs. Enter the first and last name of the trainer. Provide their business telephone number and mobile telephone number. Enter their valid email address. Select the trainer's date of birth by clicking on the calendar icon. Select the courses from the drop-down list that this trainer will teach. Upload the CV of the trainer. Then, click on the Add button at the bottom to move forward. In the next window, you can review the details of the trainer you have provided. Additionally, by clicking on the Add Trainer button at the top right corner, you can add another trainer if you have multiple trainers. After providing all the details of your trainers, click on Save and Next. You'll land on the Submission window. Select the type of your organization, such as independent college, private training provider, employer, university, or higher education institute. If other, specify it in the box. After that, select the policies and procedures from the provided policies list that your organization is currently have. If not, then specify it in this box. Then, check these boxes and click Submit button to submit your KYC. After passing KYC, you'll be able to start managing your programs, learners, and certifications. Thank you for following this registration guide. If you face any issues or have questions, reach out to Safqual at info@safqual.com. www.safqual.com. We look forward to welcoming you as a trusted partner of Safqual Qualifications.